Welcome, my ultimate music teacher friends. I'm about to reveal tip number 4 of the top 10 tips. This tip is absolutely something you need to do before you start thinking about teaching music theory. It's truly what determines our success as educators. And I'm about to share it with you right now so that you can implement this teaching tip number 4. My name is Glory St. Germain. I'm the founder of Ultimate Music Theory, and we are a one-stop shop with a complete music theory workbook system and Ultimate Music Theory Certification Elite Educator Program, exclusively for music teachers, walking you through from where you are now to wherever that may be to having a positive, purposeful, and profitable teaching business. So visit us at MusicBusinessMastery.live and sign up for our 3-day music teacher training. I've also been a music teacher for over 30 years, and during that time, I've collected a vast amount of information that I share here on our Ultimate Music Theory YouTube channel. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little bell icon so that you never miss an upcoming video. In teaching tip number 5, you met Mark Van Schmidt, and you heard how he implemented these teaching tips into his studio with massive success. Today's teaching tip number 4 is exclusively for music teachers who are interested in teaching music theory more effectively and profitably. How to help your students translate the language of music theory into their musicianship skills so that others can benefit from your teaching. Your teaching is providing massive value, a skill set that your students will have for forever. So let's dive into teaching tip number 4 of 10. Tip number 4 is goals and gratitude. One thing that often holds us back from achieving our goal is setting a goal that is too general, such as, I want to be a better teacher. But when we truly want to achieve a specific goal, we need a clear vision of the outcome and implement a step-by-step system in exactly how we can become a more impactful educator and why we want to become a sought-after teacher. We are one step closer to making our goal a reality. Achieving our goals ultimately begins with gratitude. When you place your attention on gratitude, abundance, and appreciation, the universe will deliver opportunities that will flow towards you. Goal setting using the building blocks of gratitude cultivates positivity, possibility, and profitability. And I believe that there are 2 teaching moments that must be shared in living our best life. First, your goal set with a clear purpose, supportive accountability, and a focused attention plan is the greatest motivation for achievement. With desire, determination, and dedication, anything is possible. What are your specific, heartfelt goals? Second, your gratitude shows your appreciation in many ways. Gratitude is a reflection on past events, people in your life, your success, and the lessons that you have learned. Gratitude is for future insights and goals achieved as if they had already happened. It's called future pacing. Gratitude is also acceptance from others as they see confidence in you, guidance in your teaching, and appreciate your commitment to teaching excellence. Gratitude is also given freely to show others that we appreciate them. What are you most grateful for, and how do you practice gratitude? A meaningful quote by Eckhart Tolle is, "Gratitude for the present moment and the fullness of life now is the true prosperity." One of our Ultimate Music Theory certified teachers, Shauna Hunter from Canada, achieved first-class honors with distinction in the Ultimate Music Theory Certification Elite Educator Program. Now, Shauna invested in herself. She focused on how she could achieve her goals in teaching Ultimate Music Theory Club classes. And she was grateful for the opportunity to grow her music teaching business. Shauna used to see herself as just a piano teacher. And now she sees her teaching as a business, and she runs it that way. Through setting goals and achieving one goal at a time, Shauna is grateful for her success in growing her income by 30%. Bravo. A powerful transformation of confidence and clarity. And the reason for her success? Goals and gratitude through professional development and implementation of the UMTC Elite Educator Program while creating continuous success in her music teaching business. Now, as you learn how to focus on your own goals and gratitude to elevate your knowledge and skill set as a professional teacher, you will take your music teaching business to the next level too, just like Shauna, which is why I'm inviting you to our teacher training. This 3-day Music Business Mastery event will be a game changer for your music teaching business. You will learn the exact systems that you need to elevate your income, to impact your teaching, and ultimately to grow your expert music teaching business. So get registered now at MusicBusinessMastery.live. Until next time, I'm Gloria St. Germain. Teach with passion.